Now that you've unboxed your InstantRail and all the parts are out in front of you, carefully unpack each individual item. When assembling InstantRail, place all the items on a flat surface for easy assembly. Take the mid-rail, insert the mid-rail into one of the mid-rail holes of either the post. Align the holes. Insert binding bolt and screw it together. But be sure to leave it loose to allow for movement for the installation process. Insert the other end of the mid-rail into the other mid-rail post. Align the holes. Insert the binding bolt and screw it together, but be sure to leave it loose. Insert one end of the top rail into the top of one of the posts. Align the hole. Insert a binding bolt and screw it together. Again, remember to leave it loose for the installation process. Insert the other end of the top rail into the top of the other post. Insert the binding bolt. And screw it together. And just remember, please leave it loose until after the installation process. So now you have a fully assembled InstantRail ready for installation.